So I have a little bit of a problem. This is how my current charging setup looks for my AirPods, my iPhone, and my iWatch. So I'm sure this is a very familiar picture. It's time to make an upgrade. Before we get into the unboxing, I just wanted to give the name of this product. It's the KUXIU 3-in-1 Foldable Magnetic Wireless Charger and Stand. This is the black version, but it comes in several different colors. In terms of max output, for a phone, it's 15 watts. For a watch, it's 5 watts. And for earbuds, it's 5 watts. So let's get into the unboxing. One unexpected item is this nice little carrying case here. I thought it was just going to come in like a plastic cover that a lot of stands normally come in. So that's a nice little touch. It comes with a quick charger too. This is 20 watts USB-C cable. And this is the wireless charger and stand itself. So it's made of really high quality aluminum. Reminds me of the look and feel of Apple's MacBooks. The back has this textured feeling so that it can grip onto surfaces better. And what I really like about this charger and stand is the fact that it's collapsible. So if you only had an iPhone, you can actually use it just like that as a regular iPhone charger. But if you had multiple Apple devices, then you can expand this up. Now you have a spot to charge your iPhone, your AirPods, and then on the back, there's the Apple Watch charger as well. Now, I really like the fact that it requires a good amount of strength to open this into its full position. So what that means is that it's not going to accidentally open up while it's in a storage case. It's not going to fall down. The hinges are really stiff. So let's get this hooked up to power and see all the devices on there. All right, so we got power hooked up. There's a little blue LED that shines up so that you know that it's powered. I'm just going to extend the item out so you can see how each one looks. So there's the AirPods. This is my Apple Watch Ultra 2. And then finally, the iPhone. So what I really like about this product is that it's a really compact design. So everything is on this one little stand here, whereas some other chargers have this big rectangular area where you see 3 devices separately. I'm tilting it this way just so that you guys can see the magnetic strength for the iPhone. So it's not coming off. It's on there pretty good. So this product would be really great if you had a countertop that was limited on space. As you can see here, all the devices go on just this one little stand and they kind of overlap each other. So very efficient use of space. And then you can use the phone on their standby mode. When a device is charging, the LED on the back changes color. And then just looking at the surface of the chargers, it has that same finish as the bottom. So it helps to grip onto things. But it's a very nice high quality product. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this actually comes in a couple of different colors. This is the silver version, but it actually comes in 3 other colors as well. So there's a black, there's like a gray color, and then a lighter gray color. So it matches really well if you're using Apple products. Like this is my titanium iPhone, and the colors do a great job of complementing each other if you're worried about the aesthetics of how it looks on a desk. So even if you don't have multiple Apple products, you can just use this as a standard flat charger. And then once you do start picking up other Apple products, then you can start using the other charging pads. I'll have to do some more extended testing, but so far I really like what I see in this product. The main idea is that it helps to keep your cords decluttered. So instead of 3, now we just have 1. Now, one thing I noticed is that the hinge here and here are pretty tight, but the one with the Apple Watch charger, it wiggles a little bit when it's open, but it's not a big deal. When it's closed shut really well. So a couple good things to keep in mind with this product that is answered by the frequently asked questions and answers. It says here that when the iPhone battery level is above 98%, the charging station will actually not charge to prevent overheating. If the AirPods stop charging, then we just have to make sure that it's aligned to the appropriate position. And then there's a note here that says AirPod charging will automatically be interrupted if the charging temperature exceeds the protective temperature. It mentions on the back that the charger will work with magnetic cases, but not with non-magnetic cases. And then also, if you're using an iPhone 12, 13, and 14, there may be some slippage from the charging stand. But then there's some tips here about what to do when that happens. But I think it feels like a really premium product, especially for the price. And I have no problems recommending this product for my audience.